In the PPT Institute, we have members who work with me privately, some work with our coaches, some work with both. And this came up in one of our sessions, one session I had with one of our members. After you've been betrayed, everything has been totally and completely shattered. The good part is, and before you get angry with me, here's the good part. You get to completely rewrite the script on you, on how you want to be treated, on the rules, on everything. And it's such a great opportunity because you get to look and say, you know what? I let boundaries get crossed. This new version of me, not letting that happen. I didn't stand up for what I wanted. This version of me, I will. I didn't like that, but I went along with it. This version of me, I won't. And then you get to do things privately too. I don't like that I was so hard on myself. This version of me, I'm not going to be so hard on myself. You get to reevaluate everything. And the beauty is when you do, that's when you're creating this rock solid version of you that wouldn't be able to be created if the experience didn't happen. So you want to take that experience. It's been so painful. It's been so traumatic. You've been in so much pain. You don't want to just get over it. You want to transform because of it. You want to take every ounce of it, look at it and say, what do I want to keep? What do I want to let go of? Who do I want to become because of that? When you do, that's called post-betrayal transformation. That's when you rebuild not just your life, but you rebuild yourself. I hope that helps.